200 Corner Crimping Machine Instruction Manual. Install the pallet as shown in the video, and then level the machine through the level base at the bottom of the machine. Connect 3 far wires, 1 zero wire and 1 earth protection wire as shown in the video. Connect the air source. Add the special lubricating oil to the automatic oil filling pump. Add the hydraulic oil to the hydraulic station. Add the hydraulic oil to the auxiliary liquid level line. The front and rear position of the front positioning can be adjusted by rotating the front positioning adjustment device. Adjust the distance between the left and right rivet punch body by adjusting the digital display adjusting device, equipped with left and right auxiliary positioning device. Adjustment of the front and rear position of the rear positioning by turning the hand wheel. The device has a single action mode and a joint action mode. Turn on the switch, click the hydraulic start, and set the knob to the single action mode. Move the rear positioning to the positioning point and press the emergency stop button. Adjust the height of the positioning block according to the shape of the profile. Loosen the black screws of the riveting body, tighten the white screws, remove the corner crimp knife according to the shape of the profile. Reassemble the corner crimp knife position. Adjust the front locating adjusting device and the riveting body adjusting device respectively, so that they can meet the optimal angle setting position. After the rivet punching body and front positioning adjustment is completed, then adjust the auxiliary positioning, rear positioning, and auxiliary compression cylinders to improve the subsequent processing efficiency. Time relay adjustment. According to individual needs, adjust the waiting time between the positioning action and riveting action. The unit is seconds. Once the adjustment is complete, the corners can be set.